let the ladies out for the day. Good morning, ladies. Good morning. Hi. You ready to be let out? Good morning, ladies. Hi, Dorothy. Hi, Margaret. Hi, Rhonda. Rita. What are you doing, girl? It's race day, guys. Show some of you guys part of my morning routine. Let the girls out. Oh. There we go. Good morning. Hi, Rita. One thing about me, I love my chickens. They're my angel babies. Okay, now that that's done, let's get these dogs inside. And let's get these kids where they gotta go so we can go to work and get to racing. Hey Jackson, what day is it?
Racing day!
Woo! Are we so excited?
Yeah!
And it's hat day at school?
Yes.
Yeah! Are you so excited?
Yeah.
You think Daddy's gonna do good tonight?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's go to school and then racing. All right, we made it to Brownstown. We're here. There's actually a tornado warning until 11 p.m., so hopefully that doesn't happen.
Hopefully we're still here later.
Yeah, hopefully we're still here later. We'll keep you all posted. But we're here. I haven't even checked the lineup.
I think I'm third row. Third
together, I presume. Kenny Wallace
second
going
row
away.
outside of me.
So we'll be all right.
Still second.
Yeah, when they do passing points now, we got the whole crew here. We got Cameron. We also got the modified. Jordan and Aaron's working on it, and Jordan's driving it. He just went out for his heat race and starter fell off, so there's that. Didn't finish that, but that's okay because he still makes the show. There's only 20 cars here tonight, so we got Jess, Toto's over there somewhere. We got the kids, so it's gonna be a good night. You ready to race? Let's get it done. Alright, here we go. Ready? Jackson, what are we about to do? Oh. Hey, we going racing?
Yeah!
Woo! What's your shirt say? That's right. That's right. All right. Here we go. love your dad winning?
This will be 10
Yeah?
laps around.
He won his heat race.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Daddy,
For the feature race tonight
All right.
in the sports.
How was your heat race? Do we need to talk about it? Let's talk about it.
I feel bad, but I mean, there ain't nothing I can do really. I was kind of biding my time on Durban for a minute. I wasn't way faster than, but I did feel like I was faster. And when I finally decided I had enough to not slide him, but kind of slide him, I went in and had to grab the brake pedal to get where I needed to be, and the brake pedal went all the way to the floor. And it's so hard to come off of the brake pedal when it's on the floor and need it. So I short pumped it as fast as I could, and then I hit him, and then it finally got brakes. And I had perfect brakes the rest of the night. That was the first time I hit the brakes on the race, so like, I don't even know if I touched the brakes on the way over there. And it didn't have any. I feel horrible. I feel bad for Durban. I already told him I'm gonna give him whatever we break. I got so much spatter and stuff. So I still don't race like that, man. I don't like winning like that.
All right, they'll get
Yeah,
the one to
we
go
don't
this
race like
time as they
that.
come.
Do you feel
To the
sick
start
about it?
finish line.
I really do feel horrible. Like I don't race like that.
No.
I never have.
No. Our whole racing career, we've never raced like that. So I don't want people to think that was
We will be running
like a
10
dirty
laps
slide,
for this
dirty
feature.
slider as they would call it. It's not.
Well, I think that puts us third row or first,
No.
second row.
That starts you
inside.
starting outside pole because of passing points.
Oh, I forgot about passing points. So yeah, that'd be cool.
Outside
They're
pole.
side by side
We're
on the
running
back
through real
stretch.
fast.
We will
We're
break
already
coming
starting
out of turn
features.
4.
There already a few features in, I think.
Yeah, so Jordan ran his feature.
Green
What did he
flag,
break?
Bringing them
Spindle?
to that green flag.
Spindle for sure.
Broke
yeah.
a spindle.
Nose, tore the nose up.
No, tore the nose up. He got caught up in
Yeah,
a.
somebody spun
Lead
Somebody
front.
spun in front of him,
double
so
O. Whoa,
that'll be
Taylor
all right. We
going
got
around.
him. He's up watching, so
Coming out of turn number
yeah,
2.
we'll get this feature race
And
done.
that
And
brings out the
I got a chicken nugget.
We'll get
all
a
right,
free
let's
rack
get this
and
feature
stack.
done. right, we're a couple days after Brownstown. How'd your night
Kind of
go?
flood apparently. Pretty good, I guess. I hated the way the heat ended, but feature start. I started outside front row,
Yes.
row, and
The bottom track and
yeah, which it didn't look like that was going to be the case in my opinion. Like it looked like it had tracks or moisture everywhere, but I basically immediately had none on the top. It was funny because I talked to Dad about it. Like after the race, I felt like after the race I could have went down to the bottom after the start. I got cleared in, but that's not the case after watching the video apparently. But I never had time to go to the bottom really. But I stayed at the top way too long. But once we got to the bottom, we had all the traction. It felt good at the bottom. I wish I went down there earlier, but
yeah, it is what
first
it is.
nice night of the year, cars in one piece.
Yeah.
I hate it for Durbin, man. I feel bad for Durbin, but
We've got that worked out, I
yeah,
think.
we'll settle that score hopefully.
So yeah, we ended up in 4th. Not
Was
bad
it
for our
4th?
first night. No.
Maybe it was
So let's see, we're taking the weekend off.
yeah,
24th,
so
Jackson's
sneak peek of what Mo's doing.
Jackson's got a
We
game.
got some upgrades for the RSX.
Yeah.
We're gonna rip her apart and take a weekend off.
Yeah, we got Mo over there working hard.
Jack's got a baseball or his first D-ball game.
Yes.
I got Continental's got a tire deal that we get rid of junk tires, so I'm gonna try to get all of our
Yeah.
stuff out of there.
So we just got a lot going on, but then we will be at a 2-day race at Red Hill, which will be
Jay
really
Jones
fun.
Memorial.
Also, we didn't film very good leaving Brownstown
Yeah,
because they had
apparently a
us.
tornado close.
Yeah, there was a tornado close, and so they had us all leave, and we were out of the pits by 10:15.
And literally, we were all rushing, and they were still yelling at us.
Yeah. It was wild. So,
But I don't even think it rained.
yeah, I don't think it
I
rained.
mean, I got a couple of drops on the way home, but I literally stopped on the side of the road to pull my seat cover out of the open trailer, and it didn't rain but like 2 drops.
Yeah. So, but it was a good opening weekend overall.
Car ran good.
Yeah.
Honestly, I wouldn't say it didn't feel good at Charleston, but it didn't feel great at Charleston, and how it felt at Brownstown Friday, which is a track I never feel good at. I think we're all right.
Yeah,
And
so-
then the changes we're doing this week to it will be even better for everywhere.
So, big shout out to our sponsors getting us to and from the track every week. BP Tent, New Bowl Lanes, Real Hill Leather, FFR, Andrew and Tori, Nick, just everybody that helps out, gets us to and
Bonk for
from.
a sick
Bonk,
wrap.
yes. So, all right. Well, we'll catch you guys.
Pro Wash Solutions.
Pro Wash. Can't forget them. He's looking at the car. Make sure we didn't miss anyone. All right. We'll catch you guys in a couple weeks. We'll see you.